Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Katkum ka jingya thu jong executive engineer PWD building iba ransom sutinga ilaong bakadaw kabla penlong ya iba enjoy shaka politik wadla kalong ka bae hakaba bunba ki jingsha ken no bat ki jingsha ken tho Henry ila rai bit ban join namar ka de ka jingkhot nagmenta jong i ban shakri ki paidbah bat kumta ila rai ban ya khun na po ka party NPP ka de namar ka jing ai men sim jong i Konrad ke sangma i badai menteri rangba jong kacela Meghalaya bat i dai CM iba Preston Tensong bat ilaong syusyuru bakathong ka jong i lada i job ya kani ke election ka ban salong host name haja fly ka dei be ban wanra ya ka jingkala po ka constituency ka baning kong kalong ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsan bat khamtam na ka benta ki samla jong ka constituency hi baro ka wai ki bom don kam don jam
ka ba pulong ya nga bagan join shakri kam kadai ka jingkhot ban shakri kadai ka kam ka ba shwa ban join ro ki jingkno ki babon ban join shakri ka kam ngidon kam ban sotu tikna sispa na sispa bakani kadai ka jingkhot ban shakri nak benta kari bat kejat benriu bat nak benta ke buram ke jong Blei try kan rat. So that inspires me to join NPP because there are leaders like Sir Konrad Sangma, then Sir Preston Tensong, with hard work, I'm 100% confident to win this contest, and especially from North Shillong, as many of you knows, there are many contestants. Let the best person win. Yeah, there are many issues because our constituency, it's a mixed constituency. So there are many issues. Now, if we discuss with regards to this constituency, number one is to maintain peace and harmony. Number two, very important point is for the safety and security of the people, and also to look especially for the youth of this constituency. There are many unemployed youth in this constituency, and the next one is also to empower the BPL family. Besides these things, there are also different issues with regards to my constituency 17 North Shillong, especially for the development in many areas. Aku mulaong ifi mana pi ban mi habdeng jo kakam kaya pher ban mi hadin bla chong than ban mi habdeng jo kakam phia ban so thu sispa bagade ke jingkhot jong Blei ban shakri kata ke jing shakri kaba ngathrang ban ai kalong ban ai ya kaba bhatam na kabanta ke 17 North Shillong.